Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hina Tariq. By profession, I am an educator serving as a principal at Rehan School. As an educator and principal, I have come to realize that teaching is not just about delivering content, it's about building human connections. One of the most impactful talks that reinforces this belief is Every Kid Needs a Champion by Rita Pearson. Today, I want to share a deeper reflection on her message, one that every teacher, parent, and leader should hear and internalize. Rita Pearson was a dedicated educator with over 4 decades of teaching experience. She came from a family of educators. Both her parents and maternal grandparents were teachers. She often described how conversations at home were always about students learning and making a difference. She shares that she has taught in various challenging environments where students often came with emotional, social, and academic struggles. Despite these difficulties, she remained deeply connected to her belief that every child deserves someone who believes in them. She begins her talk by addressing a common misconception that relationships are secondary to academic achievement. She challenges this by saying that learning is deeply connected to relationships. According to her, children do not learn effectively from people they do not like, trust, or feel respected by. Every child needs a champion, an adult who will stand by them, believe in them, and refuse to give up on them, even when they struggle or fail. Strong teacher student relationships are not optional, they are essential. Many students come from different backgrounds where they may not receive encouragement or support at home. For such children, a teacher can become the only positive influence in their lives. Many educators sometimes blame students for their poor performance without understanding their circumstances. Not every child comes from a school ready to learn. Some come carrying emotional burdens, fear, or lack of confidence. So instead of labeling students as lazy or weak, we must ask, what is this child going through and how can we support them? This shift in mindset from judgment to understanding can transform how we approach teaching. The other most powerful idea that she discussed is we must believe in students even when students don't believe in themselves. When a teacher communicates high expectations with genuine belief, the student begin to rise to those expectations. But this belief must be authentic. Students can easily sense when a teacher is not sincere. The other important point is celebrating student success, even small ones. It's not about exaggeration, but about encouragement. So instead of focusing on mistakes, teachers should recognize effort and progress. When students feel successful, they become more willing to try, participate, and improve. Confidence is then built step by step, and in this, teachers play a key role in the process. Also, a teacher must admit their mistakes if they commit any. This also has a good impact on students. When a teacher treats students with respect, students are more likely to respect them in return. Teaching is not just a job, it's a responsibility that can shape lives forever. So, all the educators who believe that they cannot make a difference, if they act upon all these things, so they can have the power to influence a child's future. As an educator, we must reflect deeply on our role. Are we simply delivering lessons, or are we becoming champions for our students? Let us commit to building strong, meaningful relationships, believing in every child's potential, encouraging them rather than discouraging, and taking responsibility for the impact we create. Because every child deserves a champion, and that champion can be you. If you find this review helpful and get new points, you can comment me and follow me. For the next review, I'll join you again. Till then, I'll take your leave. Allah Hafiz.